What happens inside your body when you sleep? Vertical Bar, the secret night show of your body. A gentle voice invites us to explore what the body does during sleep. Particles shimmer closer, hinting at a doorway into the sleeping body. The room fades as the spiral widens, pulling us beyond the skin's surface. We cross the threshold, entering a stylized corridor like a bloodstream. A calm narration promises an adventure through brain, heart, lungs, and more. Neon waves ripple across a resting brain as memories sort and settle. We glide to a steady heart, vessels expand and relax in rhythmic harmony. Lungs inflate smoothly, airways glow softly as breathing becomes calm. Muscle fibers knit, microscopic crews patch tiny tears with patient care. Immune guardians patrol, glowing as they scan and tag intruders. A resting stomach quiets, reduced churning hints against late-night snacks. Sleep cycles loop. Light sleep, deep sleep, and REM with playful icons. Sunlight spills across the room as rested eyes blink open with ease. A gentle recall. Glowing brain, calm, heart and lungs, cells repairing. Repairs complete, the body feels recharged and ready for a bright day. Back in the room, energy returns as a friendly smile meets the camera. Sleep powers learning, growth, and resilience. Try turning in a bit earlier. Share your favorite dreams and wave hello to a brighter tomorrow.